Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from his automation channel. Today in this session we will understand how we can record and playback a playwright scripts, or we can say application steps using a simple technique which is called as a Codegen. So Codegen is something which is similar to a Selenium IDE. So you might be using Selenium long back, and there is a tool or an add-on which will be on the browsers itself, and where you can launch that and record the script. So similar to that, we have a plugin of Playwright, which is a Codegen, and it does the same thing, but it has an improved version. And let's see how we can do that. So this is the overview of this Codegen. And to launch the Codegen, first thing is you have to install the Playwright. So to install that, please watch my earlier session where I have kept a simple session where you can do a setup and installation of Playwright. And following this, we will do this now. And to run it, we just need to do a simple command called playwright Codegen, and then followed by some application name. So you can give any name here, irrespective of what you can uh, or it is with respect to the whatever application that you're automating, you can provide that application URL here. Let me bring some name. Let me go and search for H. Okay, this website I need to launch. So this is a website I wanted to launch. So I will provide that website URL there and click hit enter. So this will take a little time to load. So if you are launching for the very first time, it will take at least 30 seconds to 1 minute, and later on it will open in just 5-10 seconds. So now you can see there is a two windows which are open. One is the main browser window. You can see it will always open the Chromium browser, and there you will see one small window which will be of the code generated icons are there. So this all are like related to the assertions only, and we will discuss a detailed one in the next session. Now we will go with the simple basic of how we can record this script of application. Now there is a one more window which is a Playwright inspector. In that inspector, you will see all buttons at the top, and then are followed by you will find the code section. In this code section, if you see, there is a method name, then followed by browser, context, then page, and go to the page URL. So this is the same URL which came in, and the context close and browser close. So if you see this context and browser are similar to the browser and context, which is starting lines. So these are the default ones. And now if I perform any action on this page, it will immediately capture on this page. Now what I will do is I will simply go to this username and type admin, and next the password, then click enter. Right. So I did the three actions. One is enter the username, password, then click enter. Now if you see on the background in the Playwright inspector, it has captured the same thing that I have done on the browser application. So one is a username, I clicked and passed the admin. Then in the password, I clicked and passed the password, then clicked on login. So this is a script that it simply copy whatever, I mean, it will record the script based on your action performed on the browser. And if you need to stop the recording, you just need to click record. Here there is a play button. And if you wanted to again start, I mean, now we have stopped, right? If you do any action, it won't record anything. Example, if I click on admin, you see there is nothing happening on this inspector. But as and when I again start click record, if I perform any action, it will start record. So I clicked on time tab, then it has performed that action and it has captured the action. And I will simply stop recording. And to close this Codegen, you can directly click on the close of these two windows. But simplest thing is come back to the PyCharm, and here if you press Ctrl C, automatically those windows will be closed. Okay, I haven't copied the code which has performed in the Codegen. Let me redo it. So I will copy this code by stopping this recording and copy. Come back to this page. This is the earlier recording, earlier code example that we have taken from the Playwright. So I have pasted the entire script what we have done on the application using a Codegen. So let me close that. Now to run this, you just need to do a simple command called pytest. Now you will see application will start running it. So it has opened the orange HRM browser and then it has simply performed the action. So there is an error which is the which tells that no test ran. So here there is a method name called run, but actually whenever we have any test starting with the test, then only the pytest will recognize it. But this is a normal definition of Python. So what I can do is Python then followed by test. Okay, test demo dot py. So I will hit enter. So now you can see it has launched the browser. Okay, it has performed the action, it has closed. So PyTest only recognized any test method name and file name are starting with the test, then only it will recognize, else it will not recognize. So I have used the Python command to run this test. So this is the simplest way to run and playback the scripts using a Codegen and Python. So in the next session, we will go in detail about how we can perform certain actions using a Codegen. Hope you like this session. In case if you have any questions, queries, do post in my comment section and I will help you out. Thank you for watching.